do the I does and I do's it the only way that I could, and it's good and they like it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannon B. Don't forget, things are moving a little bit different now, so just bear with me. I hope you guys stay along for the ride. So this is going to be a makeup removal skincare routine that I started doing maybe 3 months now. It's just certain things we have to remember. Even though we want to look beautiful on the outside, we have to make sure we're taking care of our skin and our body inside. I've always been a strong believer of that, but lately I've been more in tune with it now. So for more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share below your beauty secrets, and let me know anything that you recommend for me. Okay, so let's get into it. First, let me take off my glasses. So I just finished doing my makeup and everything. First, I just take a little wipe and I just wipe off my makeup. I gotta pop these lashes up too. I don't just go straight in with soap and water because I want to get all the gunk off the top of my skin. But first and foremost, before you even start with any skin care routine, you always have to start with the inside, which is watching what you eat, listening to your body, drinking so much water. I've never been an avid water drinker, but now if I know I don't like water, so what I do now is I don't drink anything but water. So if I know I'm gonna have a juice or a soda, I know I won't get to the water, so I just eliminated it from my body and my diet. So every time I'm thirsty, I just get something to drink. Also, if you do decide to have some soda or juice or whatever like that, you go and flush your body out with some water after you drink those things and consume those bad meals and everything. Also, if you want to clear up your skin, if you have any spots, first you should always listen to your body. Your body always, oh, you see me? It's taking off all this stuff. Lashes gone. What Chance brother said, put your confidence in the tissue. Sorry, I'm stupid. So, but yes, I forgot what I was saying. But yes, you take care of the inside of your body, inside out. So you have to listen to your body, because everybody says like a lot of our kids, they're saying they have eczema and they born with this, they born with that. Okay, my son had eczema all but 2 seconds. Yes, he gets it back sometimes, but I feel like it's a heat rash. I know, don't pile so much clothes on him, he's gonna sweat fast. Also, if you're eating something, you may love something and you feel like it's not doing anything to your body, but you may start breaking out. You may start feeling like seeing little bumps here or pop up on your nose or something like that. It had to be something you ate. So it's good to write down foods if you're feeling like you're having reactions to certain things. And what you could eat when you were younger, it may not be good for you to eat when you're older. And I mean anything. You can be allergic to something now that you never were allergic to before. So your body changes. Like before, like we all know, a lot of us used to be able to drink milk. Now they doing something to the milk. I no longer drink it. I haven't drank a cup of milk in like 2 or 3 years. It's just not what I can consume anymore. So now that most of my makeup is off, the first thing that I actually apply to my face to wash my face. Now, if I'm just waking up in the morning and there's no makeup on my face, I'm only washing my face with water. That's it. Just water, warm water. And if I feel like I haven't washed my face, and dirt is building up, I would go and apply maybe Dove soap, maybe, and that's not even all the time. So the only soap that I use on my face is the black soap. Black soap is the only thing that does not break me out. And I'm not talking about the black soap with it's like aloe vera or something, pure black soap. only soap I put on my face. And if I don't have that, I may use like a tad of Dove, which I really don't. Even though my dermatologist said I can, I don't like it. It's like they said use the Dove Beauty Bar. I don't know. It works, but I just rather not. It's so much ingredients in that. So I'm going to go wash my face. I'm not going to bring this in there. I'm going to wash my face. And don't forget black soap. I get my black soap from Medina, but there's a lot of, you know, people who sell black soap in the oil shop. I buy a lot of oils. So let me wash my face. Hold please. So I washed up all my makeup. Another thing I heard about black soap, I have a friend of mine, she told me that people use black soap also to wash their hair, because like conditioner, I make my own conditioner at home. I don't use store-bought conditioner. I make mine. I'm gonna do that video as well for you guys. My hair actually in 6 months grew from here to here. There's a little bit past here. Yes, I'm gonna do that video for you guys too. I don't use, so being that shampoos were so harsh too on my hair, on my hair, I stopped shampooing my hair. I just keep washing it and washing it and washing it, and I just keep conditioning it. I may shampoo my hair maybe once every 4 months, if that, 3 months. It is what it is. So after I took off all my makeup, my face is still wet. You damp. Don't wipe your face. When you finish drying your face, you don't dry. You pat it wet. And then mine's still a little wet. Now I go in with WITCH-HAZEL. WITCH-HAZEL. This is basically a toner. Now the thing with this WITCH-HAZEL, I don't want to talk too much. Once I apply this, you put this on. You have to put on your moisturizer immediately. Immediately. Okay? So let me talk about my moisturizer before I do it then, so I can just go straight into it. So as a black person, I used to hear, oh, we don't need SPF sunscreen. A lie. A whole lie. That's not true. No matter how dark or light, white, black, Puerto Rican, no matter what you are, you need to wear sunscreen, because you can still get sun cancer. You can get cancer. So I've been using this Olay I got for my birthday. Can you see it? Oh my gosh, I'm not good at that. I'm not good at that yet. Olay. This is the whip one with sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 25. You're really supposed to use, I think, over 75, but being that I have something in here, I'm okay with that. Yeah, that's what I use. I've been using this and it feels really good. So like I said, I'm gonna do my WITCH-HAZEL and watch how much dirt is still on my face, even though maybe I did a good job. Most of the time when I do my WITCH-HAZEL, it's still a little bit of dirt. Okay, yeah, it's still a little dirt, a little makeup left. And also some people do, oh, this thing be smelling a little bit. Some people, like sometimes, not people, let me say me, sometimes when I wash my face, yes, I'm okay, love. Sometimes when I wash my face, yes, baby. Yes, love. Stay with daddy. Sometimes when I wash my face, I'll clean it with WITCH-HAZEL first, and then I go and I wash it with the soap and water. I don't know. I'll just do things. So this is still the dirt that was left over my face. This is why you have to still clean your face with stuff. So I'm gonna let this a little wet. As it's starting to dry up, I'm gonna put dab, 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 and you rub this in the fingertips. So please, ladies, everybody, because everybody needs it, moisturize your face with some sunblock. You need some sunscreen every day, even if it's cold, even if you're not in the sun. Your face will hit some type of sun. So that's my recommendation for you. All right, so now that I'm finished with this, another one of my beauty regimens. It smells so good. My lips are so dry. So another one of my regimens is, I started using vitamin C oil for my face. So vitamin C is a new thing everyone's doing. It's like a liquid serum. And I said, you know, let me try it out, but let me look at the health benefits. I'm not one of those people who just run out to go get the new thing. I had to you know, read the benefits of vitamin C oil. I did it some time ago. I can't remember everything, but the best vitamin C is try to get the most purest form of vitamin C. You may still have to get it mixed with something else, but vitamin C is a little pricey, but at the same time, you don't use a lot of it. But the one I have is rose hip with vitamin C in it. So I always try to go with the one with the least ingredients, and this is the one I found, and I felt like this is the best one for me. So vitamin C is going to hydrate your face, because in this winter time, even though you have you know, I feel like I'm more dry in the winter. I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm way more drier in the winter. So I use this to put moisture back in my skin. Now with this right here, it looks shiny, but it like melts into your skin. And I feel like my face is way more smoother. I wish you could smell this. I need a little bit more. I want to overdo it a little here. And some people even put this under makeup. I haven't yet done that. So, because I'm already an oily person, which is a good thing, but it's a lot of dry heat in my apartment. My heat stays, my heat stays on, like blast. So my face gets dried out. So I put my vitamin E in my skin. Now I have another vitamin E. I don't know if I bought this because it was pretty. I'm not gonna lie. But it's another vitamin E that I put on. I put normally the 3 steps, but I do add this one sometime too, or I skip this rose water and I go to the other one. I mean the vitamin C, I go to this one. This one is a rose one. This one is nice too. I love it because it has the little flowers in it. I thought this was so cute. So I don't know if that's why I bought it. I'm not gonna lie. But this is a nourishing oil as well, and it helps with elasticity of your skin. So basically that means it keeps your skin looking younger and firmer, and it restores skin moisture. So, and I like more of these ingredients actually than this one. It has soybean in it, sunflower, seed oil. It has a lot of it's vitamin E, rose in it. I like it. I think it's pretty. So we're gonna add that. Boom, boom. And being that I already put some oil, I don't need to OD with this one. This one's a little lighter, but I like it. I like it. And they always say what you do to your face, you do to your neck. I didn't really drag everything down. I put like the debris from it. But I normally do that. I probably just forgot just now. But your skin, age shows in your neck. All right? Get those necks. Get those necks. Don't forget your neck. All right, let's put this up here. It's going a lot. Okay. Alrighty. So now that that's done, on to my last step. And I really do this every day. Trust me. Now, I've been looking for rose water for so long because rose water is not hard to find, but I wanted something, I don't know. I really wanted rose water. I kept saying, I'm going to get it. I never really got it. So I said, you know what? I'm getting my vitamin E oil. Let me get my rose water. So I got my rose water mist. This is a hydrating mist. So basically, you can apply this over makeup, under makeup, whatever you want. So say like you're having a long, hot summer day, or even you're in dry heat, which is what I'm in now. You just take this and you just spray on your face, and I smack it in like pow, 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 pow. Okay? So I just spray that. Get the neck. You gotta let that dry before you open your eyes and your mouth, because you wouldn't hell. And I just smack that in. I smack that in. Smack that in. I probably should edit that. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, so I dab this in. And that's all I really do. Now, some people do this step and then they apply their makeup. I don't know. I haven't done it yet. I probably will try it though. I just like my face, like after I get out the shower, to just be clean and fresh like this. So when I'm in the house, it just looks like I'm glowing in my house. I'm glowing in my house. Oh, how the Mario, I'm glowing in my house. I'm glowing in my house. I'm glowing in my house. Hi ho the Mario, I'm glowing in my house. All right, so that's my that's my skincare routine that I've been doing for about 3 months now. I love it. I just want to make sure you guys take the key points away. Watch what you're putting in your bodies. Drink plenty of water. If you're going to put something in your body, try to do some detox. Like I'm about to do a detox in 2 weeks when I go on vacation, just to get some stuff out of me. And you know, you always got to recharge every season. I try to like to do one every season. I don't know, especially right after the holidays, because you got those extra pounds. Also remember, water. What else I need to tell you? SPF. You need some sunscreen in your moisturizer. I think you could even just apply moisturizer in your own sunblock on top of that. Like whatever you find, whatever's cheaper. Also, to wash your face, I would recommend just water. But if you want to use some type of soap, my first choice would be black soap. And what else? I think those are all my key points that I wanted to touch on today, guys. So for more skincare routines, you know, hit me up and I'll do another one. I can tell you about, you know, at-home scrubs, what you can do if you want to clean your face. Different masks, because I do use masks as well. I use a detox mask that actually doesn't even go on my face. It draws out the impurities out of your body. I've been into that. And masks. And I'm gonna get into my hair care. You know, I'm always in protective styles. I don't know if you guys notice, all the time. I let my hair breathe, but I let it breathe on the weekend. Any other time, it's protective styles, because, you know, I gotta get this. So, guys, thank you for joining me back, and I will see you guys soon. See you guys soon. Dance break.